manufacturing creates things that we all touch, use in our lives. The Timken products and the very diversified portfolio of solutions that we make impact almost every industry in the world, from aerospace, construction, food and beverage. There is a preconceived notion that manufacturing is all about manual work, repetitive work. And in fact, manufacturing has changed in the last few decades and continues to evolve into work that requires us to think systemically, to create new solutions, and be creative about how we make, manufacture, create our products. There would be no progress if not for the manufacturing industry and for the creators that are part of manufacturing. And we're proud to be in this industry.